Murimu wa coronavirus uthite na mbere na kwagagia thĩ ng'ima makiria muno bururi wa China kuria murimu uyu watuthukire mabururi mothe magithie na mbere na gutigirira ni megitira uria kwagirire. Tariki 16 akia barabara 18 kuma bururi-ini wa China ni marekinyirie guku bururi-ini mwena wa Kitui kuria marakaga barabara ya Kitui guthie Kibwezi indi umwe wao arari na dariri ta cia murimu wa coronavirus kuria muingi urahurire riboti kuri minister wa ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Robert Muthuka indi Dagitari akauga thutha wa uthuthuria wao ndari na murimu wa coronavirus.
Dr. Kibati carried out an assessment. He says the person, and he actually reported to me that he did not find this case to have any features or symptoms of infection, and so it did not meet the case definition for coronavirus infection.
Ona gukiria uguo Dagitari Muthuka neugite ni matanyite China ngigwikinya guku bururi-ini akirira ikari ya mwena ucio kwaga guikara na hahoro yothe kuona ni magathakite mitaratara meiganu ya gutigirira aria magwikinya guku bururi-ini ni mamba guthurimwo.
What I want to possibly assure Kenyans that the case in Kitui is not actually a coronavirus infection case. And that has been confirmed. We know, of course, there's an incubation period, and that's why this person is isolated.
Oho niongereire kuga ati hari na mitaratara iri irahuthika mundu ima bururi-ini wa China thie bururi-ini ungi akamba kuigwo keheri-ini kwa thiku 14 kuona murimu uyu ututhukaga thutha wa thiku 14.
And as a rule, what the Chinese government has informed people who are traveling outside China to other countries is once they get to their destination countries, they need to isolate themselves. They do what they call a self-isolation for 14 days because we know the incubation period for the coronavirus is about 14 days.
Gukinyaniria na riu andu makiria magirie mwethi yothe nio makwite guku kiuria gikiyumiria kana gwitikiria kia barabara macoke guku bururi-ini twaya gukorwo tukiga a Kenya hatikaini ya kunyitwo ni murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwani Wanjiru Waforo.